Hey, hi. Welcome to my channel, Data Research. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you the basic Hadoop ecosystem. Okay. So, you are saying that in this Hadoop system, first there is a Flume, ingestion, and Kafka. So, what about exactly? So, Flume is a type it is used to store the data in the form of unstructured. When you have the unstructured data, let's say like images, videos, XML files, and YML files, that's we can say that this type of data is a unstructured data. So you can store it using the Flume, and ingestion is nothing but to ingest the data in a particular thing. Like suppose you are eating something, it means you are consuming something. So that's how the ingestion works. Okay, then Kafka. Kafka is a platform when your software are creating some messages or data like a producer, and it will transfer to the consumer. So consumer can easily get your messages by with help of Kafka server. So like this, it nothing but it also we can say that is a storage type of system like Flume. Okay, then Hadoop is HDFS. HDFS is nothing but the Hadoop distributed file system. So it is also the storage. You can store your data in the HDFS. In that there is a yarn. Yarn is nothing but a yet another resource negotiator. So it is a resource management. When you get the data, so in that data, what it will do, it will just create or it will just transfer your data and give the desired output actually it is a resource management. It manage your resources, it manage your data, how it will be work, and there is first the master node, like we can say the name node. Okay, and in that particular there is a slave node. So slave nodes are working, and the whole structure who will manage them, they will manage by the yarn. So yarn is nothing but it is a resource management. It will provide you the resource and to get the desired output by the name node to the data node. So data node is nothing but a slave node. Okay, and processing. So how will you process your data? So we have the two types of platforms. There is a MapReduce and Apache Spark. So MapReduce is what exactly it do. When you get the data by the name node, and it will pre-process your data. So while pre-processing your data, actually MapReduce has a less memory power, or it's not running in a good way. So Apache Spark is more faster than the Hadoop MapReduce. So actually, MapReduce consume your ROM, and Apache Spark consume your in-memory RAM memory. That's why it's more faster Apache Spark than Hadoop. So actually, the map function will use to filter out your data and then transfer into the reduce. So reduce will create the key value pair in the tuple form, and then you will get the desired output. Okay, so it will store your data node which is created by the resource management group. Okay, and Apache Spark actually is the same way. Just it will pre-process your data in a faster way. Okay, and Uzi, like we can say, it is an ETL kind of thing. Actually, when you are learning AWS and Azure Data Factory, or Azure Synapse Analytics, in the Google Cloud also there is also the ETL kind of things. So it's nothing but the extract, transform, and load. When you get the data and you are applying some transformations over there, and you will store your desired output into the desired level of storage. So that's how in HDFS OZ are working. That's how the OZs work. Pig is nothing but it's a script. So it is written in the Latin language. You need to define your user defined function, and then it will convert into the pig language, and then pig language then extract your data, and then it will transfer into the MapReduce, and MapReduce then give you the desired outputs, like how I would say in before. And Hive Analytics. So Hive Analytics is nothing but you might be heard about the SQL. structure query language. So it is similar to that. Hive is also similar to that. Actually, it is a Hive QL. Okay, Hive QL. It is a Hive query language. It is similar like of SQL. You just need to write your query and to get your desired output. So that's how the Hive analytics works. Okay, it's give you the RDMMS, RDBMS like of things. It create the relations between the data, and like you will get the desired type of table and desired type of output, or whatever you will write your query to get some analysis from there. Okay, Hbase. Hbase is nothing but a no SQL database. It means it is a DBS kind of DBMS kind of thing. It will not create the relation like you can say like MongoDB. Then Cassandra also the like of no SQL database. So that's how the Hbase also work. So Hbase it provide like a unstructured type of data, so you are also write your query and you will get a desired output from there. And now you might be thinking about what exactly Zookeeper do. So Zookeeper, it will manage your whole kind of thing. Okay, so you might be thinking so Yarn is also work like that, but Yarn is just giving you the resource for processing your data from from processing your data from data storage to the HDFS file system, from data processing to the data storage. So it will just provide you the resources, but to manage that resources and also the Hive, Peak, then Uzi scheduler, then Kafka and Hbase or your database, who will manage? That will manage by the Zookeeper. So Zookeeper is a server who has more power and who will manage your whole kind of things. So that is also used in the Hadoop ecosystem. Actually, Kafka is also the platform like let's say you have your app. Okay, your app are creating your app is generating the data in a streamline, like in a real time. It will increasing your data, it will generating your data in a day by day or in a minute or in an hour. So that data will transfer to the user who will need it, or to the consumer. It will be any. Okay, so who will manage that? So that will manage by the Zookeeper, and the whole kind of thing I am showing you the Hadoop ecosystem, that will also be managed by the Zookeeper. Okay, so that's how it works. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so thank you very much.